This floating palace costs $100 million to build. And it's owned by people who control billion-dollar empires. An infinity pool placed perfectly above the endless ocean. Inside, handcrafted interiors finished in marble and gold. A master suite larger than most luxury apartments.
Dining surrounded by nothing but sky and sea.
A helipad ready for arrivals straight from the sky. A private cinema built for exclusive nights at sea. This is not just travel across water. This is dominance.